The retainer holds the pin that secures your nail gun's trigger in place. The retainer is made of a hard rubber, which can crack over time. When the retainer cracks or is lost, the trigger pin can fall from the gun, causing the trigger to fall out. Replacing the retainer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old retainer from the trigger assembly. To remove the retainer, I'll use a punch to push the trigger pin through the retainer. I don't want to remove the pin completely though, so the trigger valve assembly doesn't come free from the gun. The retainer will be left on the end of my punch. Now I'll push the trigger pin back up into place and install the new retainer. And that's how easy it is to replace the retainer on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.